Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today is going to be quite an weird video. My mum's got a TV remote in her room, right? And here is how dirty it is. You'll see more with the lights off. So, there's the remote. And look at the state of that. That needs a wash. So... yep. I'm going to wash it with these. The light back on. As you can see, it's looking a little bit better, but nowhere near as good as it could. Ow! Here it is so far. It's disgusting. I don't know why she don't clean it. It's her TV remote. I literally got it from her room. Look, the stuff, the germs I could get from this disgusting remote is awful. So this thing needs a deep clean. That's why I've got the Dettol out. So like the Dettol wet wipes. So here's so far that I've done. I'm going to put you guys here. Hopefully you can see. I'm doing this to try and help her out a bit. It needs the thickness, so I'm doing it like this to hopefully get all the disgusting, like, mould, I'd say, out of it, or dirt and dust. It's disgusting, it's disturbing, in fact. There's hairs in it, dust in it, food in it. That's just gross. So, I'm gonna have to clean it all. Oh my gosh. Can't believe I'm doing this. I literally have to claw the stuff out, some of it. So yeah, this needs to be extra thick. So I'm gonna use all, if not all of them, obviously. A few of these. Hopefully my hands don't sting after this. I'm gonna use these ones plus these two, or however many there are. So I'm gonna give it a deep clean. Bleach is so strong that will probably get it off though. Here's the back. Right, it's disgusting. Right, nothing on it but cat hair, dust, dirt. This probably needs to go to a cleaning shop. It's horrible. So there's still cat hair on it. I cannot stand dirty stuff. And this just makes me feel sick. No, there's still cat hair on it. This is disgusting, you know. Cat hair, dust, all stuff that have probably even mould in this remote, how old it is. From all the stuff that's been through. So, yeah. And my hands stink bleach. I need to wash them in a minute. Right, let me look. Yep. It's cleaning more. So yes guys, here's the final result. I'm gonna need some kind of towel to dry it though, which I'll find later. So if you guys enjoyed this video, remember to, oh my god, there's still hair out the back as well, great. It's all antibacterial and disgusting. It's probably even germs. I'm washing my hands in this video, to be honest. Look at the back. That turned from, you know what? Give me this camera. That job was probably one of the most disgusting jobs ever. I cannot stand stuff like that. Can you record me washing my hands, Mum? Alright. Using some little bit of soap as well. I'm not having any of that kept on my hands. You know what, both taps. I don't care. I mean, it's been touching dust, antibacterial, bleach, I cannot. Well, not bleach white, but still, it's disgusting. So I'm washing my hands. Soap is so small. Come on. The water's burning, come on. Right, that one tap needs to come off, no, off. That was one tap, that, come on. So now the cold tap. I was using both so I don't try and burn myself. Now I can smell pure soap, that's it. That's all I can smell now, soap. I need to turn this water off. Oh, no. Now I need to dry my hands with this then. And my mouth. I cannot smell any bleach or soap. It won't proper bleach anyway with the Dettol service wipes, which I had to use because there's no other wet wipes in the house right now. Make sure guys, if you ever touch them kind of wipes, to wash your hands after properly as well. Drying my hands properly as well. Just to double check. I'm getting all this antibacterial out my hands. I don't want any germs to be spreading to anybody. Oh, that's it, that's it, that's it. Turn off, turn off, turn off, turn off, turn off, turn off, turn off. Thank you. Right. Oh my god. Alright, that's the result of a remote that's dirty to clean. So, yeah. That was the weirdest video I've ever done. But it's worth it. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, remember to leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.